Yo, what's going on, guys? Bullet Speed Run episode 9. Pure entertainment. You already know what we doing. KYLO strike. JOBAVA London with white. Black Lion against E4. And JOBAVA against white. JOBAVA with white. Black Lion against E4. And King's Indian against D4. Here's the KYLO strike as I bring it up here, guys. Of course, you can check the link in the description to get the course if you haven't gotten it already. Okay, so here we go. Let's get right into it. It's pure entertainment. Let's do it. D6, knight of 6. We got a King's Indian going fast. Bishop G7. Go castles. We got H6, H6. See if he takes. We're going C5. See if he takes. Okay, Queen A5. I like to do this. Knight E4 is normally next. Boom. Now we got some pressure here. We're going to automatically win a pawn here. Knight takes. Let's see. I mean, he might throw this in just in case. Trying to catch me pre-moving. We'll take with the knight here. We just won some material there. Pretty good. I'm gonna go here or here or there. Kind of annoying. I'm gonna take a 98. Go back. GG. Next game. Got him. Got him. What's this? What's this? Yikes. Yikes. Enemy. That was the longest semi ever. It actually wasn't made. He could have played Rook E8, but you know, we held it. I should have played Queen F7 and Queen H5. Longest semi ever. Right here on stream, boys. The longest semi ever. Let's go G3. Got him. He's one of those guys. I can feel it. I'm not gonna let him do it. I'm just gonna play A6. I know what he wants. I know what he wants. I didn't think he was gonna do that, to be honest. GG. Just gave all these bonds away. That was fun. Send me there. Great. GG. Next game. Ooh, that was a queen hang. Oh, gotta survive, boys. Oh, that was not good. Okay, survive. Oh, that was bad. Oh my goodness. That was bad. Okay, gotta be alert. Damage control. Damage control. Shoot. Oh, damage control. Bruh. Oh, I was moving too fast, too furious. Didn't care about nothing there. Lost my queen and we got it back. All right. Nice. Look, queen sack at the end. Let's go. Doesn't help. He should just go knight a6. Like, it doesn't help. It does not help. Knight a6, bro. He finally found it, but a little bit too late. Now we got b4 next. b4 in there too. Really annoying position. This is mate. GG. And next. Do the bishop this time. Ooh, wow. Oh my goodness. Just check. I'm okay, right? Okay, right? Knight c3. We go queen e1. Okay, right? Okay. We're good. So I'm like, oh, castle. funny is that? GG boys, that's it, man. We have 1400. We in and out, man. Got it done. Another bullet speed run. And our favorite openings: JOBAVA London, King's Indian, and Black Lion. Get the KYLO Strike. The speed run course, it's more than just a course. It tells you how to play it and how to think like an aggressive player. Get the course in the description. And I'll see you guys on the next episode.